was the 17th, Sunday, 1990.
Today is Sunday, June 17th, 1990.
Father's Day.
Father's Day.
And we're going to tape the house here.
Dude, over there.
We got a slight problem with our fireplace right here, so we got to record on it.
Hey, Dad.
The reason I'm recording this fireplace is because the mortar joints. None of the mortar joints are uniform. They are not running up properly. And I am not satisfied with this here. So I'm going to try to have the mason correct these here. Close up of the joints. They are staggered very severely. It looks like there's a lot of room for improvement here. Don't wiggle. We're coming up on a real wide mortar joint. This camera here doesn't really show you the overall picture. Living room area. It's pretty good up to right here. Right here they're really staggered off. Here's a good close-up here. We'll get a far-away picture here. You can see them right here, how they stagger. Here's a corner here that leans in. Right there. It really goes in. Here's our campsite here, as we're staying here building this here house, and there's that dog.
Pluto.
He's a pretty good watchdog, but he is a little pest.
Still alive.
There's that Flossie. These two guys here, they are my helpers. Sometimes I wonder.
He is crazy. He is crazy. Hey,
Kitchen. This over here is going to be the dining area. That's the living.
That's a room.
There's a stairway going upstairs.
Yep, and there's the room apple strudel.
There's the fireplace again. Right here you can see it sashaying in a little bit.
And the room apple strudel.
Master bedroom. There's the picture window or sliding glass window. Right here is the bedroom, or bathroom, excuse me. Here's the closet. There's the master bath. Justin's bedroom. There's Justin's bedroom window here. Here's overlooking the job site.
Tell me about our car.
There's Jonathan's and Justin's car.
There's the pole barn.
The old 77 Buick, and there's a Uniloader, and there's our new pole barn.
Yep.
We call that our workshop.
Yeah. It's better than saying pole barn.
Outside, where the trusses are on. There's my old car I'm having problems with. There's our driveway. Coming up on the two mischievous little sons of mine and Mutt. There's our road.
And he's not called a mutt. He's a mutt, Mom. He's a dog, not a mutt.
He's a